In English, most verbs form the past tense by adding the letters E and D to the end of the base verb. This is one of the simplest and most common ways to talk about actions that happened in the past. For most regular verbs, making the past tense is very easy. Just add the letters E and D to the end of the word. For example, work becomes worked, play becomes played, walk becomes walked, and talk becomes talked. This pattern works for a large number of English verbs. Let us look at more examples of verbs that form their past tense by adding ed. The verb clean becomes cleaned. The verb open becomes opened. The verb cook becomes cooked. The verb dance becomes danced. Each of these past tense forms tells us that the action happened before now. The ed ending in English can sound different depending on the verb. Sometimes it sounds like the letter T, as in the word worked. Sometimes it sounds like the letter D, as in the word played. And sometimes it sounds like ID, as in the word wanted. The pronunciation changes, but the spelling stays the same. Here are examples to understand the three different sounds. When you hear the T sound, like in worked, kissed, and helped, your voice does not vibrate. When you hear the D sound, like in played, cleaned, and called, your voice vibrates. When you hear the ID sound, like in needed, decided, and waited, there is an extra short syllable at the end. Most verbs simply take ed, but some verbs change slightly before adding ed. For example, if the verb already ends with the letter E, you only need to add D, as in love becomes loved and move becomes moved. If a verb ends with a consonant followed by Y, change the Y to I and then add ed. For example, try becomes tried and cry becomes cried. If a verb ends with one vowel and one consonant, double the last consonant before adding ed. For example, stop becomes stopped and plan becomes planned. But do not double the consonant if there are two vowels or two consonants at the end of the word. For example, need becomes needed and help becomes helped. To sum up, the past tense of most verbs is formed by adding ed. Sometimes we make small spelling changes before adding ed, but the rule stays simple. Words like walk, play, and talk follow the regular pattern. Words like try or stop make small spelling adjustments. Once you learn these rules, you can easily form the past tense of regular verbs in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.